Another excellent back exercise that I just love is because it uses your core muscles, it increases your calorie burn, is a standing cable row. What we want to do is we're going to slide the pulleys down to about chest level, rib cage level. In this situation, I have it on number 11. We want it equal on both sides. So make sure you have the numbers matching. And another important thing, always double check and make sure you have equal weight on each side. Today, I'm just using 30 pounds. We're going to grab each pulley and we're going to center ourselves on the machine. And then we're going to take about 3 big steps back, wide stance, squat down. We're going to start with the palms facing the floor, chin and chest up. And keeping that chest up, we're going to pull the elbows past the back, squeezing the shoulder blades together, pausing, and then full extension forward, but keep the chest up. You want to avoid this. We want to keep that chest lifted. And then also on the squat position, we want to keep the tailbone back with our knees aligned with our ankles. This is going to help get the V shape in your back. It's increasing a calorie burn by using our entire body, and you're also working your legs. So it's sort of a whole body exercise, but great back development. Again, we're going to exhale when we contract the muscles, when we squeeze the shoulder blades. And then we're going to get a full extension forward as far as we can before we roll back again. Remember, the stretch is just as important as the contraction. And the ending of the rep is on that stretch. Stand up, walk one side down, walk the other side down, and that's the standing cable row.